The U400 smart lock is precise, secure, and truly hands-free. Powered by UWB, it unlocks on approach and is built for Apple Home, Aqara, and Matter integration. No taps, no codes. Just approach the door and U400 unlocks. With UWB Precision, your iPhone or Apple Watch becomes your key without leaving your pocket. The U400 knows when you're outside or inside and will prevent accidental unlocking when you're inside. It only unlocks when approached from outside. The U400 features a wide variety of convenient unlocking methods. NFC unlocking, fingerprint unlocking, and passcode unlocking complement the existing UWB unlock on approach. Meanwhile, the outdoor emergency charging port ensures you're never locked out. Sharing access has never been easier. A home key for family, a temporary code for friends, or a one-time password for service workers. It is secure, seamless, and always in your control. No matter your ecosystem, U400 is your key. Apple Home, Aqara, Matter, and more. Smart, secure, and convenient unlocking for your home. Unlock the future with U400, securing your home with style and ease.